the Vice Chancellor, the Chair, distinguished delegates. On successfully ending terrorism, we were to learn many lessons through numerous sacrifices. In this learning process, innovativeness stands out to become paramount. Now, which should be directed to enhance the national security through sustainable development. This is by finding innovative solutions to indigenous problems, which we did not have much time to search into. With this preamble, may I focus onto the topic: algorithm development for detection of attack craft within phishing clusters. This work introduces a novel method in order to acquire the potential threats sheltered within neutral phishing craft clusters using a theory called particle swarm theory, and also introduces the derivation of behavioral aspects of a target out of sensor information. Introduction. The swarm optimization is a population-based stochastic optimization method which was first described in 1995 by James Kennedy and Russell E. Eberhardt in the given reference below. Originally inspired by the social behavior of bird flocking and fish schooling, has so far extended in number of flavors. During the past decade, the concept of swarming has been addressed with a number of disciplines. Focusing onto the applicability on the future warfare, it was observed that in many works that maneuvering of swarms are mainly to affect psychological strength and the cohesion by attacking from multiple and unexpected directions. It could also be identified that the swarming as a preferred tactical option for irregular forces for leveraging the factors of quantity over quality. At the same time, it is recognized a new asymmetric surface threat in the cluttered and crowded littoral waters in some regions. Refocusing onto the contemporary research trends, one of the four main research components of multi-target track and terminate program of US Naval Research Office is development of algorithms for detection of potential targets based on shape and behavior. I emphasize the word shape and behavior. With that introductory note, may I focus onto the factors which motivated this research. First, focusing onto the applicability of the findings of this research. Even though the threat of suicidal craft is not prevalent within the present scenario, pirates and drug traffickers may exploit the available freedom. Hence, the requirement still exists to detect such craft within the phishing clusters, especially during dark surveillance hours. The proposed method is attractive due to following difficulties in the present methodology. First, the difficulty in tracking and monitoring number of targets simultaneously. Second, due to negative exponential performance degradation of the user with time. Further, in the case of an attack craft, the reaction time is limited with the present method. because we detect during the action but not during the forming time. For instance, taking the radar as a sense example, the radar tracks a potential target by detecting whether it has entered a predetermined guard zone. This in turn alerts the user when a target enters its sensing radius. But in the case of an attack craft, it may be already too late to detect in this manner due to shorter time duration availability for reaction. It is observed that the illegal craft are of commercial types and does not have any distinguishable features, and identification is to be based on characteristic behaviors. I emphasize the word characteristic behaviors. Finally, it is observed a very little quantitative analysis has been carried out to determine the extent to which the naval platforms to deal with, as well as no extent of initiation to analyze the threat or identify potential solutions. The reference is given underneath. As per the author's knowledge, so far, no particle swarm optimization based model has also been developed to model the phishing clusters. In this backdrop, there certainly exists a vacuum for algorithmic enhancements for detection of capabilities of existing sensors for effective future surveillance operations. Further, a formidable solution is required to detect within the preparatory phase. I emphasize the word preparatory phase with a certain depth for on preparation or for rapid apprehensive action in the case of a drug trafficker due to possibility of conveniently dumping into the sea. Having formed the basis for my subject area, let me now explain the research objective. It is to develop an algorithm utilizing the particle swarm optimization concepts for enhancement of detection and economy of effort of FAC and RABS surveillance operations against the gun runner, trafficker, smuggler, or an attack craft seeking shelters within the neutral phishing clusters. At this point, one may argue that this may also be achieved by tracking a single target